I am so happy, very, very happy, because that girl, Clara, she is hearing coder interpreter with both step parents. She explained and confirmed that Elder do have written form, which is Elder Crimble. That crazy, right? That crazy. We already know Elder do not have written form. Anyway, whoever think Elder is not in there, good luck with Elder Kramer. Good luck with Elder Claw. 5 parameter non-manual marker clarification. These are the lists should not be existed because they all made up. I feel bad about people go to elder school that know it doesn't apply in real life conversation. Remember, 90% of the human parents could not communicate with their stepchildren because elder is not English. Guess who created the parent? Step community. William S.T. Doty. Most step community can't even apply for the job. Yeah, if you still think elder is not English, good luck trying to have a conversation because it often misunderstood and lack of context. I'm so happy that Elder Kramer is the fraud, it's the scam, and I should prove it. Elder Kramer is the confirmation that Elder do have with the form, while Elder do not have with the form. So which one you will follow? Elder do have with the form, or elder do not have with the form. That is the problem that needs to be cleared up.